Palfinger is a global provider for mobile lifting solutions with a proud 90-plus year history in mechanical engineering. We are best known for our product loader crane, kind you can see mounted on trucks, trains and ships.
As head of PMO Global Operations, I'm responsible to equip project managers and project teams, and also with the right toolkit to most efficiently drive transformation. When I stepped into this role, the first notice was that projects were managed in very individual spreadsheets, individual software applications, and none of them were actually connected.
You have to imagine that any small update meant manually changing hundreds of sheets.
I realized that Smartsheet offers the ease of creation of automations and workflows without the need of any technical support.
The Smartsheet template library actually offered a great starting point for our PMO end-to-end solution that we integrated. Once adopted, more and more departments within Palfinger were able to copy this solution with minor adjustments that we were able to make internally. Today, we are looking at over 450 active projects that are managed within Smartsheet at Palfinger.
Control Center gives us the ability to update up to hundreds of projects all at once. With Dynamic View, people only need to see what they need to see, and it helps us protect sensitive data. Data Shuttle keeps our data in sync across all different portfolios. And with resource management, we can finally see at a glance how many resources are going into which activities and where we need to focus. We don't just build lifting solutions, we raise possibilities.